We're gonna try his piece of plumbing out he bought. 7.62 by 39.
Yeah, for the first time. See if it functions, see what it does. It's got the side charging handle on it. So, and then we'll see what the old man thinks about if his old man approves or not.
I already do. I like the paint job on it.
Yeah.
See if it go bang.
Didn't miss a beat.
Actually, I think you hit the target too.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad about that. I don't know if I hit it every time, but first I know I didn't.
But you wasn't really shooting. I mean,
no, I was just trying to make sure.
It was anti-Oakland then.
And that was just tool ammo, steel ammo. So we didn't have no. Where was the hell? The bullets are all flying.
They're way over here.
Are they?
Yeah. He's throwing the hulls out. Oh, he gets to shoot 30. I get to shoot 10.
I didn't shoot 30. I didn't shoot 30.
How you work this thing? I like that thing.
That motherfucker sounds crazy.
It's bad.
Huh?
It's
It
bad.
ain't shooting them too bad. I mean, it's exactly like 3 o'clock from you. They're all right there, so that ain't bad.
It does have an extinct sound.
Take your ear protection.
I already did.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah, that's bad. That thing's bad.
It ain't missed a beat.
It does still pack a little wallet.
It's
Come
got
on, a little bit.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of ride. I don't know.
Not bad, but come on, recoil a little bit, not bad. I can see if you if you grab it, don't hold it right. Like you shoot an AR, grab that one.
Yeah, shoot a 5.56.
Yeah, you're gonna shoulder's gonna the first one. You won't do it but once.
So I want to check this right here. See, it's hard, so I can spin it now. See that Allen head's moving in there. See, I got to do something. I put Loctite on it.
Yeah, I put a little super glue on it. I'm serious.
Yeah, I got heavy duty Loctite on that son of a bitch.
Well, it ain't Loctite, is it?
No, but I think I'm gonna take it off and put a washer, put like a strong washer.
You just don't like my super glue, that's all.
He uses super glue on everything. I mean, shirt pockets, eyeglasses, dashboards.
It don't matter.
That's the only thing I don't like. Is that. So I read up, everybody's saying that, but I mean, I put a job of heavy duty Loctite, not medium strength.
Yeah, put some super glue on it. I put this space shuttle together with super glue.
They damn sure would. But he ain't lying. He is not lying.
I like it. It works for me. It's bad. Where'd your little pistol grip to come with it?
Huh?
The little grip.
I didn't put it on there. I didn't like it.
I can take a look at that AR look.
Let's see how we look this plane.
I hit it. I don't know if you did or not.
Yeah, I mean, you can see the hole in the mountain. You know
what I'm saying? Yeah, you can. All right.
I mean, it's ejected them all pretty good.
Gives Poppy a roll of wire and a pair of pliers and he'll build you a watch.
Damn right. Damn right.
Every gun you've built's been perfect so far.
Yeah. I ain't had no failures with any of them. Built them on a deep freeze.
Yeah, everybody else going to these high dollar safes and shit. Hey, look at this. It's a redneck way of doing it.
So I'm gonna do 3 in here. We'll do 5. We'll do a 5-round shot group.
Yeah.
With just
You gonna shoot the center, that one target on a
the little
ballistic
black
target?
one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna drop down right where your ass is.
No, you ain't neither, because I'm sitting there.
She's a little hot.
Thing holding the groove, ain't it?
You can see it from here, can't you?
Yeah, you can.
This some bitch is hot too. If it's cold, it wouldn't be as bad. I need to go to the right a little bit,
Yeah.
but that's 5 shots. Right there. Yeah, iron sights ain't bad. Just playing. And it's hot, but I'll go right.
That's gonna be a little tank driving, I believe.
Yeah, I think it's gonna do good.
Huh?
I think it's gonna do good.
Huh?
Hogs ain't ready for this.
Do what?
Hogs ain't ready
Hell
for
no,
this.
they ain't. They had a bad day. They better say hoink. They ain't gonna get a hoink
Squeal,
for it.
bitch.
Huh?
See, I don't like that though. I gotta fix that.
Telling you how to fix it if you won't listen to me.
I'm listening, Dick.
Super glue.
I'm sure you got some.
I do. I just happen to have a. I just bought 3 tubes the other day.
So if I had to do this over again to do this build, I mean it works, it functions great. It was I'd probably buy just the upper, you know what I'm saying, with just the bolt. The trigger in this thing was kind of janky, so it wouldn't even fit underneath the selector here, the fire selector. So I had to call them. They're supposed to be shipping me one, and then the gas block would hit on the actual rail, so I had to file that down. And the plate back here on your extension on the back, lower receiver extension, or buffer 2 people call it, it's a little thin. It's kind of bowed a little bit, so I'd probably buy just in the buttstock. Rattles a good bit. It's got a lot of place. I don't know if they got the wrong buttstock with the wrong tube as far as military spec and commercial spec, but the upper parts look like really good quality, and I mean it's shooting good. I did put a 4.8 ounce buffer in it instead of what they had, so figured it'll take down the recoil or whatever, and it did. So, but that's about it. Alright y'all, thank you for watching the Swamp Happy Outdoors. This was kind of just like a test on the 7.62x39 in the AR-15 platform. Hell, it shoots great. We shot about 200 rounds through it first time out, and not one failure to feed, not one light primer strike, nothing. If you want some information on how I built it or what I done, just let me know. I did change a little bit, did massage a little metal pieces here and there. I'm running the C Products magazine, so, and I had to do work on that, so just don't buy those and think you got it straight. But what do you think?
I like it. I like the way it shoots. It groups good. It's just a fine shooting gun. I was telling him earlier, we got some $2,000 rifles. Ain't shooting as good as this one.
Yeah.
And that's hard for me to say because I'm a Browning guy, but this thing here is awesome.
Well, again, thank y'all. Please like and subscribe below. Hit the bell. And this one's old man approved too.
I want to say hats off to Walker Ear Protection. Awesome.
You need them with this bastard too. It's loud.
Can I get Walker? He's not used to many things big to put in things.
No.
He's like a small kind of thing.
Hell,
It's
it
still
ain't loose
tight.
no more.
I snuck and put some super glue over it.
No, you probably did.
No, I didn't.
Probably had it in his pocket. It really don't look, you know, as crazy as it sounds, it don't look really dirty.
No, not considering much as we shot to it.
And I guess because a lot of it's going out the side. You know what I mean? It's not all trapped in there.
It's I love it. I'll have me one now. I'll always let you be the guinea pig.
Let me try the shit that everybody says can't work.
Well, so far, you built a couple. People said it wouldn't work. Both of them working good because I got one, you got one of them.
Yeah, well, and the Grendel too.
And the Grendel. Now listen,